Going on YouTube? It's your boy Les Chevy Grinder. Today, we're going over the exhaust setup for the 1991 Chevy Caprice. Y'all stay tuned. Passenger side, not rubbing up against the firewall or not the firewall, but the frame of the car. And driver side, not rubbing or touching anything. Now we go under the car. Y'all see it, Caprice Classic. Yes, sir. We got the long tube headers. I'm just fitting this up here, but that's the 90 degree. I meant the 45 degree. And over there is the passenger side. Y'all check up the pan I painted right there. The transmission pan looks sweet, don't it? But anywho, let's get back to the video. All right, gang, we back. Yeah, man. That's the setup on the exhaust. Long tube headers. I got one of the 45 bins right here. As y'all see, it's on the car, but that's not gonna stay like that. We got the Evil Energy, the 3-inch clamps with the hardware, and one box that ain't open yet. It's a straight pipe, 30-inch long. I'm gonna cut it in half to 15, run it past the cross member, and then we're gonna hook the 45 back in to the X pipe. So that's what's gonna be going down. But let's check out this 30-inch straight pipe. All this stuff I got on Amazon. We're gonna go over the setup and how I got it. And if you want to try an exhaust like this at home for yourself, have at it, man. Basically, it's just a bunch of fitting stuff up. Eventually, you will need a welder, but for the most part, you can do this stuff at home. So, this is the 30-inch straight pipe. 3-inch. Brand new. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just cut it in half, 15. We do got the Suburban back. It's out here. We got it back. Brand new transmission. The 6L80 that was in here. We don't know how it got burnt up, but I told my wife to park this truck, right? I said park it because when I put the HP tuners on it said the control module went out, or the transmission control module went out. So that's what happened. So it's a brand new transmission. I ain't even got under there and looked at it. Hold on. I ain't even got under here to take a peek at the thing. Yeah, that's brand new. Brand new pan. Boy, that's shiny new. Oh yeah, that's brand new. Brand new casting. Oh yeah, that thing ain't even got a smudge on it. Yeah, y'all, this is a 6L80. 2-wheel drive. Like I said, it's not a big transmission. It's about the same size as a 4L80. But that's some side note footage. Let's get back to the original footage. Yeah, man, just got out of work. Y'all can tell I'm tired, but I gotta get out here, mess around with the car, man. If y'all new to the channel, it's a 1991 Chevy Caprice. It has a LQ4 6.0, Trailblazer SS intake, Stage 2 cam, custom intake plumbing, high performance coil packs. It do got fuel flex, fuel injectors in it. You can run E85. And it has a 90 millimeter 90 Corvette throttle body, drive-by-wire. All this is controlled by Aces Jackpot. Car do run. Like I said, if you just started following the channel, we are at the stage of the exhaust now. We're redoing the exhaust because y'all can't see it, but the shorty headers, they right there. We took them off and we put the long tube headers on here for a LS swap for a C10 truck, but they will fit on here from Power Go Motorsport. Shout out to them. But yeah, man, let's get into what we got going on. So we go under the car, try to make y'all dizzy. I have to get down here on the, give me a second. Gotta get down here on the creeper. So you get under the car. Y'all see the long tubes is coming down. Y'all see the spark plug wires with the boots on them. But these are long tubes. They come out right by the transmission. Like I said, don't mind this elbow right here. Like I said, this 4L60, bro, it's about the same length as the damn 6L80. So if y'all trying to put a 6L80 in y'all car, you will need a transmission controller for that. If you run an EFI, because stock will run it if you can get the stock PCM and the transmission controller. But if you're going like aftermarket like me with a Aces EFI system, you have to get a transmission controller separate because Aces only run 4L80s and 4L60s. So besides that, let's get back to the exhaust. So we got my exhaust coming down, 3-inch long tube headers on the driver's side. Then if you scroll to the passenger side, you got the same thing. Oh, we get the good shot right here. You got the long tubes coming down from the passenger side. You got the O2 sensors in here. These are wideband. I got one right there. And I got one right here. This came with the Aces Jackpot system. Like I said, it's not touching the frame of the car at all. And everything plugged in. So, like I said, the transmission pan. Get spray well and run for his money with a spray can. But you will come out the back. The straight pipe that I showed y'all, let's get that real quick. And my creeper quit creeping. Hold on. There we go. So the straight pipe right here. Grab that. And under the car. Like I said, we're gonna come past. We're gonna come past this. I'm gonna take this off the factory cross member because it don't have a hump on the daggone the driver's side. But y'all see it pushes it down because it ain't a hump on this side. So y'all see where I'm going though. We're gonna go straight pipe and clamp that off. Straight pipe, pass the cross member, and then we're gonna go 45 into here. But this X pipe got to be moved back. we're gonna move it back to about right here. So probably end up cutting this right here off. We'll cut this right here off so it'll come in. Well, we'll probably cut this up in here somewhere so we can move that back. But as far as the mufflers, they've been on here since the last setup. So I mean, we're gonna be good on that. We just got to tie these long tube headers into this setup. So that's what we got going on, YouTube. Oh, so get you a straight pipe, get you a 45 degree, and get you a X pipe for a crossover pipe. X pipe or crossover pipe is called either. So get that pipe, plug your mufflers in at the very back when you're running your duals, and you should be good to go, man. Like I said, pretty easy do it at home, do it yourself type kit. Like I said, you will need some clamps, either V clamps or you can get these. They'll work too. Here go the hardware for those. Tighten them down. You good to go. So that being said, YouTube, I'm about to get up out of here. Like I said, I just got off work. So we'll shoot a quick video to let y'all know about the exhaust setup. Y'all know I'm off on Friday, so I will be back out here putting that on. Like I said, as far as on the driver's side, I got to get another cross member, but I can go ahead and fit it up for the passenger side, get the right length, so I can do the same thing over here. So when I do get the cross member, the pipe will go up into the hump. So hopefully they can help somebody out, man. If you're doing a DIY exhaust system for your LS swap, like I said, this is a B-body Caprice, the bubble. So we're gonna make it shake right on the road. If you are following, you turn on your post notifications. If you're really feeling the channel, make sure you check all so you never miss one single upload. I am starting to change a lot of stuff on the channel. I'm going back to information and how-to videos. So we're getting away from all the racing stuff and the burnouts and all that stuff, because YouTube been tripping. They really been tripping about burnout videos, saying they unsafe, and they've been trying to flag my channel. So before I let them flag me and get me up out of here, I just ain't gonna be posting those type of videos no more. So y'all will see in the next 2 months coming, a lot of changes going on with the channel as far as like the kind of videos I post. Always gonna be information. Y'all know I always go live. So you like how-to videos and you like informational type stuff, make sure you hit that like button, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.